Hi everyone, welcome to K-Food Recipe Hunters channel. Today we're diving into one of Korea's most beloved and iconic food, Kimbap. If you've ever seen those colorful Korean rolls and thought they were sushi, think again, they are Kimbap. I'll show you how to make classic Kimbap, share some delicious variations, and even give you tips to make it more enjoyable for global tastes. Let's roll into it literally. So what exactly is Kimbap? Kimbap literally means seaweed, called kim and rice called bap. It's a Korean rice roll filled with a variety of ingredients like vegetables, eggs, and sometimes meat or tuna. It may look like sushi, but it tastes very different. There's no raw fish in the kimbap, and the rice is seasoned with sesame oil instead of vinegar. It's portable, nutritious, and perfect for picnics, lunchboxes, or just a quick snack. Let's make a classic kimbap roll. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of cooked short grain rice, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame, a pinch of salt, 4 sheets of roasted seaweed, julienned carrots, stir-fried in oil, julienned cucumber, spinach blanched and drained, and then seasoned with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and a pinch of salt and sesame seeds, pickled radish strips called danmuji, whiskered egg, made into a thin omelette and sliced into long strips, cooked fish cake strips or imitation crab sticks or sausages. Feel free to leave anything out or change them as you like. Step 1. Season your rice with sesame oil and salt and mix them lightly. Step 2. Lay your seaweed shiny side down on a silicone mat or a bamboo mat for easy rolling. Step 3. Spread a thin layer of rice over the seaweed, leaving about an inch at the top. Step 4. Layer your fillings horizontally: egg, carrots, spinach, pickled radish, and so on. Step 5. Roll it tightly using the mat. Apply gentle pressure to keep it from bursting or coming undone. Step 6. To prevent the kimbap from coming apart by lightly moistening the last inch with water to seal it. Step 7. Brush a bit of sesame oil on the roll and sprinkle sesame seeds. Step 8. Slice kimbap crosswise into bite-sized pieces and eat it 1 bite at a time. And there you have it, classic kimbap. Now let's talk about variations because kimbap is super versatile. 1. Tuna mayo kimbap. Mix canned tuna with mayo and a little black pepper. It's creamy and tender. 2. Bulgogi kimbap. Use marinated Korean beef called bulgogi. It's rich, sweet, and savory. Perfect for meat lovers. You can really be creative. Anything that pairs well with rice and seaweed can work. Now, if you want to add a little twist, add some cheddar cheese or avocado for a creamy touch. Use grilled chicken or roast beef instead of Korean bulgogi. You can even dip the pieces in a little wasabi mayo sauce. Though it's not traditional, it's tasty. If you're feeling adventurous, try it with hummus or sriracha mayo. Kimbap is easy, fun, and totally customizable. Whether you prefer the classic or try a new twist, you're going to love how flavorful and satisfying it is. Is there any Korean food you'd like to try? Please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Korean cooking tips. See you next time. Bye!